As students, we are always looking for ways to save time, stay organized, or even make study a little less painful. That's where AI comes in. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can supercharge your student life using AI. Whether it is writing better notes, generating ideas, or tackling those tricky assignments, or maybe writing some code, these tools can help you work smarter and not harder. Let's dive in and unlock some AI magic. So this is my workflow. I have pieces in my workflow. No chat GPT, no Cloud AI, only pieces. You'll know why in a second. And the second tool I use is GitHub Copilot for auto-completion of code. Now first of all, we're going to be talking about Pieces. So Pieces is basically an AI-enabled productivity tool that is designed to increase developer efficiency. It is your AI companion that supports multiple LLMs like OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, and so much more, while capturing the live context from your workflow from browsers, IDEs, collaboration tools, and provides them as a context to the models so that you get better answers, all while processing data locally for maximum control and more security. It also allows you to save important code snippets and access them from anywhere and anytime. Now, talking about why it's particularly useful for students, I'm going to be showing you and you will make the decision. So this is the Pieces window. Here you have several views, such as currently I'm in the saved materials view. So here you can just save code snippets and access previously saved snippets, like I have 2 demo snippets here. You can also navigate to the Copilot view here and access the AI chat. And there are several other views where you can see all the captured context, global searches, and you can also see all the upcoming features. So this is the saved materials view. If you click here, you can just add a new code snippet. You can paste some piece of code here. You can write some code from scratch. You can use some plugin to enter code here. If you didn't know, Pieces has a bunch of plugins for all your necessary applications, such as a Chrome extension, a VS Code and Visual Studio plugin, a JetBrains plugin, a Jupyter Lab plugin, a plugin for Sublime Text, NeoVim, CLI, Raycast, Obsidian, Microsoft Teams. So they've got you covered from every possible side. You can also do the snippet discovery in your local project folders to look for important snippets. And there are several other options like importing GitHub gists, generating a snippet by using AI, adding some file, or explore some curated collections here where you can just look for some important snippets from each language. If you click on this button right here, you can enter the power menu where you can switch to other views or get to other options. I'm going to be going into the Copilot view now. So I'm going to be just going into my profile right here and all settings and machine learning. Here we can see there is something known as the long-term memory engine. We'll just turn this on. This is a new chat that I've created. So I'll just click on long-term memory engine and turn it on. Let's say I'm going to Wikipedia and I'm going to go to the English part and I'm going to be reading about Wilfred Arthur. And I'll be taking a good scroll through this article. Now I'll be going ahead to this Pieces application once more and asking the AI about what did I do just now. As you can see that it has captured all the context about the work I was doing, like going to the Pieces for Developers website or looking for an article about Wilfred Arthur. This is done through the long-term memory engine that securely saves data from your screen about the work you're doing in your local system and provides it as a context to the AI. And this can even summarize meetings and classes for students. So you can already see how powerful this feature is. We have another option right here through which we can just extract code from any screenshot. Let's say we're doing any class or any tutorial. Then going to the power menu once more, we have this captured context window where you can see all the context that the AI captured about the work I was doing. This even gets better as you can access the AI LLMs from other editors like VS Code or Visual Studio, and you can also access the code snippets from your code editors or even from the Chrome extension. You can also just easily copy link to share your code snippets to others or generate GitHub gists from these snippets. And from these code snippets, we can also access suggested queries where we can easily find related links or tags. As you can see, this basically helps students store their code and access it from anywhere And it boosts the productivity of the students as the AI already knows what the student is working on and researching on, and the person doesn't have to waste time on explaining the AI about the topic. And the second AI tool that I use is GitHub Copilot, which basically generates code in your IDE or code editor. And it also has this chat window, which allows you to ask the AI to write some specific code for some specific task. Though GitHub Copilot is not free, but for students, you can apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack and you'll get GitHub Copilot for free. So that's it. Go ahead and download pieces from the link in the description. It's free, at least for now. And you can follow them on Twitter and join their Discord community. See you again in the next video. Until then, goodbye.